G'day guys, how's it going? Well mate, I have got a corker of a recipe for you today. It's homemade sausage rolls and they are delicious. Alrighty, first thing we do with these homemade sausage rolls is we whiz up 4 slices of bread. I mixed them up in a Lisa's Thermi mix, but you can do it in your blender or whatever. So yep, 4 slices. And just keep a little bit for later on. I'll explain that later. Alright, into that you put 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chicken stock powder, just to give it a yummy taste. A good sprinkle of garlic pepper, some cracked pepper, and this is up to you, but I love me paprika, so I'll chuck a bit of that in too. Alrighty, so now we just give that a bit of a dry mix, just so it gets dispersed through the crumbs nice and evenly. And now the first of the wet ingredients. 1 medium, well chopped, well diced onion. In she goes. And then we'll grab the meat. Okay, so just for a bit of fun, normally I just use pork mince, finely cut pork mince. But today I'm going to be a bit fancy and I'm going to do pork mince and beef mince. So start as 500 grams pork mince. In she goes. And I think this is a touch more. This is about 700 grams of premium beef mince. In she goes. Right, now I'm going to mix this by hand. So give me hands a bit of a wash. Keep everything nice and clean. And in we go. Alright. So just get in there, don't be shy. Get in, mix it up. Now, a lot of people think that people traditionally put breadcrumbs in their sausage rolls as a cheap filler, as a bulking agent. And I guess to some extent that might be correct. But if you want to get that traditional texture that you get from a sausage roll, you really got to put the breadcrumbs in. Because yeah, that's the way a sausage roll should be. Alright, we're nearly there. Feels like I'm kneading bread dough. Alright. Nearly there. Alright. That's it. Alright. I'll wash my hands and we'll get ready for the next stage. Alrighty guys, so we've got the meat mixed up, we've put him aside. Now we need pastry sheets. So I've got my puff pastry sheets. Now I was just looking at how much meat was there and I reckon there's enough for 5 sheets. So what I'm going to do is lay out my sheets. The sheets are fighting me. Lay out my sheets and I'll get back to you in 5 minutes when they're soft enough to roll. Hey guys, the other day Elise says to me, Trevor, you are so immature. So I said to her, Elise, get out of my fort. Alrighty guys, the pastry's been sitting here for 5 minutes. It's now a little bit soft and bendy. So all we do is we slice down the centre. You don't have to measure, you'll be right. Slice down the centre. And the wind's blowing me door shut. Alright, so there we go. Slice down the centre. Now we get our meat mix. You know what, camera lady? I just realised I forgot one of the ingredients. Barbie sauce. Struth, I can't believe that. If Elise knew that I made sausage rolls without Barbie sauce, I'd be in strife. Alright, let's go with officially half a cup of barbecue sauce. Alright. Now, we're going to have to cue the high speed because this is going to take a few seconds. Alright, end of high speed. Okay, and now we're good to go. So, into the old trusty piping bag, we put some mix. Don't overfill your bag, it just makes it really hard to use. And away we go. I'll just do this one here where you can see. One, two, three. Now comes to the fun part. What you do, get your fingers underneath here and just slide them along. Slide them along to there, then tuck the pastry in underneath and make sure you get that line there is in the center underneath each sausage roll. Okay? Easy peasy. Tuck it in, roll it over, push it down. And now we'll do the high speed. Alrighty, that's the end of the high speed run. Now, time for traying up. So what I like to do is, be feeding a lot of these to kids, so I just make them pretty small. So I will grab two like that. I go once in the center, half, and then half again, just like so, and plonk them straight on your tray. Alrighty, so now we're all trayed up. Now what I'm going to do is make a little bit of egg wash. Now for my egg wash, just put in one egg, crack him in a cup, little splash of milk, and whisk him up with a fork. Alright, wash your hands again. Now I don't have a pastry brush, so I'm just going to be a bit cheeky and splash it on. Like so. And this will give it a beautiful golden brown colour. And for a couple of these, I'm going to put some crumbs on. So remember how we kept some of these crumbs? What I'll do is check this out, sprinkle the crumbs on top. Yeah, a lot of people will see sausage roll with crumb on top and think, ooh, fancy. Alright guys, I'm going to pop these in the oven. And the oven's preheated to 220 degrees. 220 for 20 minutes. And we'll get back to you when they're ready. Okay. Oh, hang on. And they're ready. Alrighty, let's grab them out. Ooh, it's fogging up my glasses. There are the delicious ones with crumbs on top. And here's the fancy ones with no crumbs on top. And would you look at that? Oh, smells like at the tuck shop when I used to go to school. Alright, I'll get back to you in 5 minutes when these are cool enough for a taste test. Alrighty guys, they've cooled down enough to try. We've plated them up and here we go. Would you look at that? Chuck a bit of the old dead horse on. Oh, yum. Oh, it's got that real homemade taste and it's not too pasty like the sausage rolls you buy in the shops. Oh man, that is so yummy. Hey camera lady, want to come and try one?
Oh yes I do.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh yeah.
Good thing?
That's
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Alright guys, well that was a bit of fun. And now I've got something to eat for lunch. Alright, in the next video, I think I'm going to do some churros. It's like a little pastry thing, you roll it in sugar and stick it in caramel. So, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch us on the next one. Gotcha! G'day guys, how's it going? Today I've got a corker of a recipe for you.
A recipe.
G'day guys, how's it going? Today, no.